So I'm also going to show you my baby room, my son's room, and the playroom because those rooms are pretty much done. Follow me and I'll show you what we have so far. So we're going to start up on the second floor from my son's room, which happens to be one of the biggest rooms in the house because of the extension that we did. There's no lights, I'm sorry. On the outside we added this cathedral-like extension, so it made this room much bigger. He'll probably have his like study desk in here, some like comfy beanie bag things to lay on. And this is also his bathroom. Again, like I said, each bathroom is going to have its own fun appeal, so I can't wait. The bathrooms are actually the first thing I'm going to work on, and I'm very excited. Then we move on to the playroom. Other than his huge room, he gets to have his own huge playroom in here. So this will be an area where he can hang out with his friends, play video games, play board games. There's going to be no TV in his room, so because when he's sleeping and doing his homework, I don't want him to be distracted. But in here is where he can have fun and play his video games and watch his TV and his cartoons or whatever else kids do. And then from the playroom, you get to get into this bathroom, which is also connected to the hopefully future baby room. So don't have the baby yet, but once we do, this room will get done. This will probably be the last room since I don't know what I'm gonna have or when I'm gonna have it. So this room will be empty until this grows. So let's start from my son's room. So we've done some things in here like paint the walls. So we have at least that finished. And I guess this is for the floor, the hardwood floor in here. And as you see, this is the balcony we created. Not extremely safe at the moment, so don't go over there. And we also finished the bathroom. Still, it's very dusty in here, so it's a little hard to tell. There's a door in the middle, but we decided to take out the tub and create a shower because my son is 9 and he's only getting bigger and taller. It was a very small tub and he's gonna be a tall boy, so we decided to change it into a shower. The vanity is out. We are going to be doing a custom-made vanity in here with the mirror and all that. But he likes blue, so everything has to be blue. This is, we're walking into the playroom. So we also have the walls painted in here, and of course my son's favorite character, Sonic. This was like his dream to have Sonic on his wall, so I had an artist come out and paint that for him. And we wanted to make it fun in here, and that's why there's actually 3 different colors on the wall. Wanted it to be bright and really have the feel of a children's room, like a play room. I am pregnant, so, and it is a boy, and you know, I wanted to keep that small child feel. And it actually can go right into my soon-to-be baby's bathroom. We haven't done anything in here yet, but we have ordered the tile. So all we've done is, what you see, this red is waterproof like material so that, you know, nothing leaks into the walls. And we did leave the tub because it is a little baby. We haven't done anything in the room yet other than take out the floor. So not much to see in here.
Yeah, I know.
So I'm also going to show you my baby room, my son's room, and the playroom because those rooms are pretty much done. There is some stuff that's not finished, that's why I'm not showing it yet. But follow me and I'll show you what we have so far. So this is my nursery, my baby room. I wanted a girl and that didn't work out, so I got another boy, which is great too, but I still wanted to make his room fun because with my firstborn I didn't get to do a cute baby room, so I really wanted to do that in here. And I thought about a crown because he's my little prince, and I wanted to put his name above the bed because I'm corny like that, but I think it's super cute. And then we came up with these, you know, just little accents to kind of fill up the wall around the bed. And she, you know, my artist just made it kind of go fit with the bed. I think I got this bed on Wayfair, and then I found this S the other day at home, so I thought it was super cute for Sebastian. And I got this cute little chair at Home Goods. They have a lot of cute kids chairs and things, so I needed to fill up the space a little, and I found that and I thought it was adorable. He is the year of the pig, and he's a little prince, and it has the little crowns, and he has the little crown, but it's also a piggy bank, and it's the year of the pig, so it kind of all just makes sense together, and we can save some money for him. Obviously have to have the rocking chair, and we got this dresser at Babies R Us, but I changed out the handles. I got these from Home Goods, and I just, you know, wanted to spice it up a little bit. Even though he's a boy, he's still my prince, so I added these, like, you know, crystal little handles. And this is just a little furry light that I got at Home Goods. I thought it was cute, so we added it in here. We have the changing table, hope, believe, dream, which I'm always teaching my kids to always follow their dreams and believe that they will come true if you work hard. Also, we have, like, this wallpaper took forever to choose, but I wanted something that is boyish but not babyish, because I wanted him to grow into it. And I feel like this wallpaper is for any age, and it just, you know, I just loved the color of it. It's super unique. It gives this room just like a little extra spice, as I like to call it. And we wanted some kind of a light curtain in here, so it's see-through, but it's gray with a tint of blue to match the wallpaper. And then the rug, it's just like a shag rug, white and gray. He loves soft things, so he'll just like stick his face in the rug, which is adorable. And then I can show you guys his bathroom. He has his own bathroom. We found this tile, and I wanted it to have blues and grays, so we got, you know, we saw this at one tile store in New Jersey and decided to put it in here. I don't have the curtain because I'm giving him a bath, so I don't really need a curtain or the glass doors in here, so we just didn't incorporate that. This is the vanity that we designed. We just had it, I wanted it super simple because it's, you know, the kids' rooms, but I added the color of the room into the trim, and then I found these pools that have blue and chrome in them, because I knew I was going to make this bathroom with chrome. I found this sink to match. Actually, my vanity downstairs has the same sink in a different color. And then we got this really cool looking faucet. I just loved how the water comes out of it. And then this is a quartz top with gray and blue sparkles, which I thought matched perfect. And then this soap dispenser is from Marshall's. I don't see the price, but matches perfectly. And then I got the mirror on Wayfair and the vanity light on Wayfair as well. The floor in here is also blue and gray. So everything in the baby room is blue and gray, which I think are perfect boy colors. From this bathroom, we can go straight into the playroom. So this is my son's playroom. He is obsessed with Sonic, so I had this Sonic painted on the wall. It's the same guy who did my roses, painted the Sonic. It's a great couch for a playroom because you can actually turn each piece into a bed. And it just comes apart like this. And then when he has friends sleep over, we just give them a blanket, a pillow, and they have their own little bed. So it's perfect. You can have like 3-4 friends sleep over, and they always have a great time. And it's super easy to put back together. So you can have it all one color, or you can have, you know, each piece a different color. I think these are the main colors, and I think they might have like a dark red as well. And these two pieces were actually painted by an elephant in Thailand. Well, it's 2 different elephants, but we actually watched the one paint this flower, and it's just absolutely amazing the things, you know, that these animals can do. So we decided to get them for the playroom. And then Pasha is an artist as well, so we have a whole wall of art. And then I'll let him do the rest. So this is my son Pasha, and he wants to, you know, kind of give you the rundown on his playroom and his bedroom. So go ahead, what do you want to tell everybody?
Okay, I'm gonna first begin with my helmets up here. They're from my grandfather's jewelry shop and from his retirement thing. This shelf is from Wayfair. We got it like a long time ago. We got this at a festival, these two.
R&R for Roman and RO-MiNA.
Well, not really. I got it from the festival.
Okay.
This is my actual hand.
Yes.
So in like my art school, we were able to do this actually. I think it's actually very cool. But yeah, and also if you be like very mean to me right now, I'm gonna get mad.
Who's mean to you? Oh, because you have Masha and the bear?
Yes. Okay, just don't be.
Yes, he's not a girl, but when he was a kid, he loved Masha and the bear, and I found these in Thailand, and I was so excited because I'm obsessed with Masha and the bear. So they're not opened yet because I feel like they're very special and unique.
Yeah, I'm not gonna open them at all because they should be really good. This, anyone can get it because it's from, if you go to this school.
From Bright Steps Academy, good job, he graduated.
That's my special wall of painting over there. And this is like my masterpiece over here. Oh, hey guys, welcome to my bedroom.
Just enjoy the show. I'll be your corner. Just enjoy the show.
The first thing that I bought for this room were these nightstands. I thought they were perfect for a boy. They kind of have this tin space looking feel. I love them. And then I got the bed. He loves blue, so everything had to be blue in the room. And so I added the blue with silver, which I think those two colors look great together. The bed I got on Wayfair. This bed cover is from Bloomingdale's. And these rugs, which I think just look great in this room, they're from At Home. It's a great place to find cute rugs. He's obviously obsessed with Sonic. So he drew his Sonic and Cuphead, and we have like some of his artwork on the walls, incorporated with other artwork. We have some Sonic posters over there. You know, trying to keep the kids' room feel, but not, you know,
Too much Sonic.
Yeah, not too much of all this craziness, because I like everything super organized and super clean, but I know that with a kid's room, you kind of have to fold in some places. This room was like super big, so we needed to do something with this area. I created this little sitting area. He obviously added all his toys in there and stuff, which is fine. This was actually hanging on the wall. It fell. We will hang it back up, but it's a really cute like rhino with all these different colors. So these cute little side tables are also from Home Goods. I loved them. I thought they kind of matched with his nightstands. They're silver and they still have like this wood feel.
These are my little crystals that I collect.
Where did we get these crystals?
I guess we got them from Wayfair, I guess?
No, Home Goods.
Yeah, Home Goods. And we got these, I guess, also in
This
Home
is from
Goods?
At Home or Home Goods, one of them.
Home Goods.
We have this little table I got at Home Goods, chairs I got on Wayfair, just like this little nook sitting area. Curtains are also custom. Just found a fabric that I felt matched, you know, with the whole vibe in here. I didn't want them blue as well because there's so much blue going on. So these are like a silvery, beigey, like just very soft fabric. And then we added these studs to kind of go with the studs in the nightstands. And then the chair also has the studs in them, like the curtains, and it's a similar color, similar fabric. So it matches. We have a little desk for him, and it matches the dresser that he has on the other side. And he loves robots, so we got this cute little robot at Home Goods. Home Goods I feel like is one of the best places for accessories.
Yeah, because I really like this.
I'm sure everybody agrees with me. And then I can show you his bathroom. So his bathroom was actually the first bathroom that we designed in the house. So we painted the trim just like in the baby room. So this trim matches the color of the room. I got this chrome hardware. So this is a quartz top, obviously also blue because everything had to be blue. I got this chrome mirrors from Home Goods, and then we have the vanity light up there. And this sink is also super cool. It has like a hole up here. I don't know, kind of excited me to, and I liked having two handles instead of just the one lever. So my son is fairly tall, so I decided we took out the tub because it used to have a tub in here. We took that out and created a shower, and we found this blue rounded little pebbled tile, and we brought it up the wall, and the sides have this like white wave on it. And then the floor is also a blue tile.